Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Now let's go through the various commands. First, let's type apt list. List command will print a list of all the packages including information about the versions and the architecture of the package. As you can see, list of packages. Also, I have shared the useful commands in the coming up lectures which will help you to build your understanding. So as we are scrolling up, these are the default tools. We can easily install and uninstall these tools according to our usage. We can use apt install and the package name. Let's say we are using the package zile. Other than apt, we can also use pkg install and the package name. Let's suppose we want to get this zile package. So type pkg install zile. It will ask yes or no. Press yes or y and then enter. You'll see the package is getting downloaded. Now next, let's see whether we can get the package from apt or not. So this time, last time we did with the pkg, now we'll do with the apt. So apt install the package name. Before that, just apt list and check whether your package has been installed or not. As you can see in front of the zile, we can see the installed in a bracket, in a square bracket. So yeah, this package has been installed. Next, let's install another package with pkg or apt. So let's type apt install package name. Say for example, we want to download Cmatrix. So Cmatrix is based on the screensaver from the Matrix website. It shows text flying in and out in a terminal like a scene in the Matrix movie. Once the package is installed, next we'll do the apt list and check whether it is installed or not. Just scroll up and check. All the packages are in the alphabetical order. So just scroll up and check whether the Cmatrix have been installed or not. Yeah, we can see it's now installed. Now next, we'll clear the screen and we'll run the package Cmatrix. So as I have already told you, like Cmatrix is based on the screensaver from the Matrix website. Yeah, it shows the text flying in and out the terminal like a scene in the Matrix movie. Now type Cmatrix and press enter. As you can see, the text are flying as a screensaver. Thank you so much and see you in the next class.